Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on Start icon and select Device Manager. It will open Device Manager window. After that, expand Display Adapter. Then right click here and select Update Driver. Once done, close this window. After that, go to search bar and type here command prompt. Right click and select Run as Administrator. After that, type this command carefully, sfc space /scanow and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Then go to search bar and type here cmd run as administrator. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window. Hit enter to execute them. Now enter this command and hit enter. Wait for some time. After that, close command prompt window. Then go to search bar and type cmd run as administrator. Now type these commands carefully. After that, type Y and hit enter. Now open Windows Memory Diagnostic and simply click here. This might take several minutes, so wait for it. Once done, go to search bar and type RSTRUI. that is restore system files and settings, and just follow my screen. After that, close, select next and click on finish. You need to select as. Once done, click on close. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.